Good evening, madam! Charis! Hindi tayo showtime. Ayan. So, good evening, good morning na pala. It's exactly 12:45 in the morning of June 6, 2026. So, hindi po ako makatulog. At napag-isipan kong pumunta sa isang lugar na nature talaga, na gusto ko kasi na parang mag-hike-hike, na parang mag-cardio-cardio. Kasi nung last episode natin, nag-bike-bike po tayo. Ngayon, mag-hike at trekking naman po tayo. Pero may iba na twist kasi i-hike natin yung 7 layers of Erawan Waterfalls! Yeah! I've been there twice already. Oh, first time. First lang pala. Pangalawa ko na to, nabalik doon. So, I'm so excited na ipakita sa inyo yung magandang at pinagmamalaki ng Kanchanaburi province, which is the Erawan Waterfalls. It is composed of 7 layers of waterfalls. So, igagala ko kayo bukas habang po tayo nag-hike doon sa 7th level ng waterfalls. So, kita-kits na po tayo bukas ha, kasi matutulog pa ako. Sige, pake na ako. Ayan. At si Luca is gonna be alone for a while. 2 days and 1 night. Mommy is not here, right? But Luca will survive. Always. Always naman. Lagi kasing gumagala si Mommy. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll be sleeping at least 5 hours. I will be waking up 5:45 a.m. And we're gonna go because ang train papunta doon is, it will leave at 7:45 in the morning. So, makakatulog pa ako hanggang 6 a.m. So, yeah. Punta na tayo doon! Excited na ako! Yay! So, again, this is Ciao Bella! So, hi again everybody. I'm super ready now. Super ready na nga, diba? So, paano? Alis na po ako kasi 6:22 na po. And first trip po ng train going to Kanchanaburi is 7:45 in the morning. So, ito lang po sinuot ko. Some dry fit short, and some sandal. Kasi, kailangan lightweight yung dadalhin natin para hindi tayo mahirapan. So, let's go everybody! Let's travel to Erawan Falls! So excited! So, I already withdraw some money now. I just withdraw some money now. And my budget will be 1,000 for my trip. 2 days and 1 night. 1,000 only. So, we'll see how it goes. Siguro kasi late na tayo. Oh my god, ignore my face. We are going now. I just got here at the railway station. We're gonna buy tickets for Kanchanaburi. Ang haba ng pila. Haba ng pila. Hello, good morning. Kanchanaburi. 100. So I got my ticket now. So I got my ticket for only 100 baht. So super cheap. And my departure time is 7:45 in the morning. So today it's 7:15 in the morning. So maghintay-hintay muna tayo dito. Actually, yung railway station, Kanchanaburi railway station is malapit siya sa market. So kung gusto mo bumili ng mga food for nababaunin mo, pwede kang pumunta ng market. Ayan, natapon yung ticket dito. Dito ako upo. Nakababad talaga ako sa init. Ayan, kitang-kita talaga yung sunburn ko. Yeah, I am burn. So, see you guys in a bit. Hinihintay ko na lang train na dumating. And I'll update you soon. Ciao, ciao! Ayan, hinihintay na lang. Kahit na ng mali. Natakot sila. Kita kasi sila sa video. Train na dumating.
Jadi tadi kemudian tapi kalau tak ada yang terus tinggal apa nanti nama lebih ke kalau
We're gonna go. Hanap tayo ng seat natin. Nakuha ko ng magandang area. Seat. So, nasa loob na ako na train. Ayan. Nasa ordinary commuter area po ako. Yeah. So excited. So excited. Nayangan. I'm very much excited to go. And we're moving now. We're gonna go. I'm so excited! Dalawang beses na akong papunta doon, pero lagi pa rin ako talagang nai-excite pag pupunta ako ng Erawan Falls. Kasi talaga yung nature sobrang ganda. Worth it talaga siya. Today, we're leaving the busy city of Bangkok and heading to Kanchanaburi province by train. Habang umaandar ang tren, unti-unting nawawala ng matataas na buildings at napapalitan ng beautiful views of nature. The journey itself is already an adventure. Medyo magulo nga lang at maingay minsan sa tren, with passengers coming and going, people talking, and vendors selling snacks. Pero honestly, that's what makes the experience feel real and exciting. As we travel farther, mas marami kang makikitang green fields, trees, rivers, and peaceful countryside views. And it's also a nice break from the fast-paced life in Bangkok. Nakaka-relax din umupo lang, tumingin sa bintana, at i-enjoy ang tanawin habang nagpapahinga. And for this trip, from Bangkok to Kanchanaburi, every moment to the train is part of the adventure. And we're here, everybody, at Kanchanaburi railway station. We're going to the bus station where I'm gonna ride the bus going to Erawan Falls, that is Kanchanaburi station. So in total of my travel time is like around, I would say around 2 hours and 2 hours and 30 minutes. My God, my hair. Sorry naman. Sobrang messy. Ayan. So tamang-tama talaga yung ano nila. Pag sinabi nila na 10:25 or 10:35 dadating ka na, arrival na talaga. Walang sagabal. Walang delay, ganon. So I'm so happy I'm here. So, pero hindi pa natatapos yung travel natin dyan. Magta-travel pa rin tayo ng 1 hour and 30 minutes going to Erawan Falls. And after that, we have all the time in the world to enjoy Erawan Waterfalls. That blue bus over there, guys, is our bus to Erawan National Park. Sakay na ako sa bus. Sa bus. Wala na seat, so naupo nila ako. Sa mayag ng bus. Okay lang, at least nakaupo. At least nakasakay ba. From Kanchanaburi Railway Station, nagsimula ang journey ko papuntang Erawan National Park. Along the way, I was treated to beautiful views of local villages, green fields, mountains, and peaceful countryside scenery. Since medyo mahaba ang biyahe, there were moments na napapapikit na lang ako at natutulog habang nasa daan. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala ang pagkain. Grabbing some snacks and enjoying a quick meal made the trip even better. Traveling can be tiring with all the waiting and long hours on the road, but that's all part of the experience. As we got closer to Erawan, mas naging fresh ang hangin at mas naging vibrant ang nature around us. Kahit may pagod, seeing the stunning landscapes and enjoying the journey made every moment worth it. After all, travel is not just about the destination, it's also about the memories you create along the way. I just arrived here. I'm at the visitor center of Erawan. Ito na yung entrance ko, papuntang langit. Wala masyadong tao ngayon, which is good because today is Saturday. And I'm gonna rent a place. Tent? Yes, camping. Passport. Can I just leave it here? So they gave me a form for renting a tent.
You come alone?
Yes.
You stay only one night?
Yes, one night.
You take a paper contract inside the camping. You can choose something in the camping site.
Okay.
And when you check out, you pay money here and you can get your passport.
Okay.
Only cash money.
Okay. Thank you so much. Kasi so, medyo malayo siya. So, kailangan ko siyang lakarin punta doon. So, marami akong dala. So, mas maganda pa na magsakay lang ako sa pag 20 pa, no? Chai. Chai kapi. Ibigay ko na to sa kanya. Kuha ako ng mga gamit ko the tent. So that is my tent. My tent is number 6. And there's a lot of campers right now. Na dito sila ngayon. And it's a crazy day for me. Look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. Even though pangalawang beses ko pumunta dito, talagang na-amaze pa rin talaga ako sa beauty nito. Sobrang ang ganda talaga. Literal. Look. Siyempre maganda din nag-video, diba? Ayan. So hi guys, I'm here now inside the tent, and so I rented a pillows, sleeping bag, and foam para pang sapin dito sa ground kasi medyo matigas talaga siya. At sobrang init. Pero tignan nyo naman ang view. The view is like amazing. So parang wala na ako nararamdaman init kundi nararamdaman ko yung kagandahan ng view. Sorry. So I'll see you guys later. Let's eat lunch. At their cooking place. That's their cooking place. So let's go up and charge our phone. Hello. Okay. Oh, it's full. Oh no. Meron pa. May natira pa. Charge. Oh, so fresh. The air, the wind is so fresh. The breeze is so good. And I like it so much. Whew. Best feeling ever. And today I met 2 wonderful uni students, and they're Burmese from Myanmar. This is Nelly and Rash. Yeah, there's the gorgeous and handsome Myanmar or Burmese coming from Myanmar. Thank you so much for being part of my vlog. We talk a lot about
we have nice conversation.
We have nice conversation. Feeling friend na naman tayo. See you next time. Bye. Bye. So I'm walking now to the first level of the waterfall. Kasi magdidip tayo kasi sobrang init. Sabi ng bago kong kilalang mga friends dito, we can go, I could do dipping today because malamig ang tubig. So let's see if it's malamig. Merong retreat dito ng mga kabataan. Grabe, the place is so green, so healthy, so rich with trees. So many organisms are right here. So many flowering trees, non-flowering trees, big trees, small trees, short trees, long trees, whatever. There's a lot of them. Look at this. So pretty. I'm so happy. Really am. So green. You can hear the sound of the water flowing. Here's the 7th layer of Erawan falls. That's our first level, this is the first level here, right there. Naririnig nyo din naman yung tunog ng tubig, di ba? And then second is Wang Machad. Then third, Pam Nang Tok. Fourth, Ok ng Peaceway. Bue Milo. I don't know kung paano to i-pronounce, pero kaya na mag-adjust. Then 7, Dong Puksa. Then 7 is Pupa Erawan, which is the most gorgeous level of them all. So, pupuntahan natin yan bukas. Iisa-isahin natin yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
After the long journey, I finally reached the first level of Erawan Falls, and the view was absolutely worth it. The crystal clear turquoise water, surrounded by lush green trees and nature, instantly caught my attention. It felt like stepping into a place far away from the noise and the stress of everyday life. As I stood there listening to the gentle sound of the water, I felt a sense of calm wash over me. Parang lahat ng pagod mula sa biyahe ay unti-unting nawala. The fresh air, the peaceful atmosphere, and the beauty of the falls made me slow down and simply enjoy the moment. What I love most about this place is not just how beautiful it is, but how it makes you feel. It reminds you to pause, appreciate nature, and be grateful for experiences like this. Dipping here, at the first level of Erawan Falls, I felt relaxed, refreshed, and thankful for the journey that brought me here.
I've had a very good dip in the water. So cold. Not too much cold, but it's good temperature. We're gonna go in there. They have tiny cafeteria or something. I don't know what you call that outdoor. They have also bungalows. I think this is a food stall. It is a food stall where you can buy food. There's also ice cream. I'm gonna buy some ice cream. They have a lot of food here.
Sitting here by the river, I've been reminded that life doesn't always have to be rushed. Sometimes, the best thing we can do is slow down, appreciate the moment, and enjoy the simple things around us. Along our journey, we met different people. Some stay, some leave, and some are just passing through. But every person and every conversation leaves a lesson or a memory behind. Just like this river, life keeps moving forward. There will be challenges, but there will also be beautiful moments waiting for us along the way. So wherever you are right now, I hope you take a moment to breathe, appreciate how far you've come, and trust that you're exactly where you need to be. Enjoy the journey and don't forget to cherish the little moments. They often become the most meaningful ones.
Hi everyone! I met new friend again. His name is New. New is a Thai Chinese, right, citizen here in Thailand, and he lives in Bangkok as well, same as me. And he's here to enjoy and have some fun as well. So New, are you happy now or you're sad?
Yes. I am happy.
Yeah, he's very happy. He is 25 years old and he is engineer
Yes.
in their own family business.
Yes.
And we talk about his ex-girlfriend.
Okay.
We talk about his ex-girlfriend and how he is devastated about their breakup. Sad boy.
Who is that?
Very sad boy. But I told him that it's not yet the end of the world. It's the beginning of something new and something good for him. And so, don't be sad anymore.
Bye-bye.
Basically, it's almost 7 here. Me and my heater core. Hindi nyo alam, ang loob nito is noodles. Wala na akong lutuan. Nawa ko siyang lutuan. Because why not, right? Daming naka-camping ngayon dito. So I got my food here. I have my extra rice, chicken, some tissue, some eggs, some lanzones, and some noodles. Niluto sa heater. Let's eat.
And of course, it's not too late to celebrate my birthday, so I decided to buy a cake and blow a candle on my birthday. It's actually a post birthday celebration, but I'm so grateful and I'm happy that I did it for myself.
I'm 30.
Happy birthday to me, or shall we say belated happy birthday.
Let's get some sleep, guys, because tomorrow we're gonna hike. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
After an amazing night of camping, I woke up to the gentle sound of rain falling outside my tent. The cool morning air, the peaceful atmosphere, and the smell of nature made it the perfect start to the day. Sometimes the best mornings are the simplest ones.
Good morning, everyone. So it's my second day now. It's Sunday, and later at one time I'm gonna go. So I'm packing now. So when I come back from the falls, I'll just go and get my stuff and leave. So good. It is a good, really, really good morning. Actually, the view is so nice. It's so peaceful. The sound of the bird is so calming. It rained. It made me sleep more, but I can't sleep more because I need to hike and trek up to the second level of the waterfalls. So I'll see you guys in a bit, and join with me. This is what my morning looks like. First level! Welcome to the second level!
Now we're at the second level of Erawan Falls, and it's just as beautiful as I imagined. The water is so clear, the surroundings are peaceful, and you can really feel connected to nature here. After the hike, seeing this view makes everything worth it.
And we are now at the third level of the falls! We're going now to the fourth level of the falls. Fourth level of the falls. Yeah. As you can see, they really made a trailway for the people who wants to go to different parts of the falls, different level, I mean. And it's very useful, and it's actually a guide for you to not get lost when you're hiking here. And it made more easier. It's not slippery, less accident. Amelia, are you still okay? Yeah. Now we're gonna hike the stairs. Look at that. So I'm at the fourth level, you guys. Here. Fourth level. Yay. Now we're going to the fifth level of the waterfall. That's the stairs going up. Grabe yung energy level dito. Sobrang kailangan mo ng maraming energy level. Kasi pag wala kang energy level dito talaga, ewan ko na lang sa'yo. Baka kung saan ka napulutin. The interesting part here is the water is called is color like emerald, light emerald green, blue, something like that. Clear emerald, green like slightly blue color. And it's so relaxing to watch the water flow from rocks. So good. And my sweat is flowing also. So currently we are at the fifth level now. We're going down and up for the fifth level, and it's actually a good cardiovascular exercise. If the water is flowing from the rocks, so as my sweat. You're not gonna believe this, but Amelia is how old? 35 years old, and she already have 2 kids. And look at her, so fit, so sexy. And look at me, so fat. Yes, look at her, the arms, the waist. She's really good. And she said, like, you work out a lot, right? Yeah. She eat a lot and she works out a lot. And she loves it so much. So hi to her daughters. You're gonna be watching this video. And yes.
So this part is actually the tail of the 5th level. So we stopped by here to see some of this level can offer us. And look at this. It's so divine. The water is so clear.
So, grabe talaga kaganda yung nature. Nature is amazing. Oh my God. Thank God for everything. I'm enjoying this cool breeze of air, cooling effect from the trees, from the shade of the trees. If it's only like this in Bangkok, wow.
As we make our way to the 5th level of Erawan Falls, the trail itself is already part of the adventure. Surrounded by towering trees, flowing streams, and the sounds of nature, every step feels like you're getting deeper into a hidden paradise. The hike can be a little challenging at times, but the beautiful scenery along the way makes it enjoyable.
Still walking to the 5th level. This level is one of the hardest level. So, we're still going there. Look at that. Ang galing talaga ng sa Pilipinas pa, DENR. Kasi yung all of the national parks here are taken care of. They made trailway so that it would be easier for the people to hike. Of course, it's less thrilling, but the safety and security first is really good. They focus on that. And they really always cleaned up the area. They supervise the area all the time. And each of the level has lifeguard. And you cannot come, and you cannot dip, or you cannot swim if you don't have a life vest. But makulit kami, wala kaming life vest. That is because the station is still closed. So wala pang tao doon. I decided to come here early kasi pag early kasi is mas maganda, walang tao. Hindi crowded. So. Welcome to the 5th level! Yay! Yeah, so good.
And finally, reaching the 5th level, you're greeted by stunning cascades and crystal clear water that make all the effort worth it. It's the perfect place to pause, take in the beauty, and appreciate the incredible nature all around you. Alam mo yung hindi mo ma-explain yung feeling mo. Yung na-reach mo yung excitement at happiness in just one day of hike. It's a crazy experience for me. Yung tranquility, relaxation na nakukuha mo, sobrang saya. Dahil nga explorer, danlog, gaba. Sige, lagaw pa. Lagaw pa, Dora the Explorer. Kuha kagid banog ba? At syempre, hindi talaga mawawala yung diving. Alam niyo ba, nag-dive ako dito, 6 feet lang talaga ito. Hindi naman talaga nakakatakot. So, akala ko, malulunod talaga ako. Sobrang kabado ako. So, sabi ng bago kong kilalang friend, kung magiging okay ba ako. Nung tumalo na kami, tanong siya ng tanong, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" "Yes, I'm okay." Sabi kong ganon. Kasi akala niya hindi ako talaga marunong lumangoy. Kaya dito, nakadive nga ako, pero sobrang hirap naman umakyat. Kasi nga, I gained 7 kilos in the span of 1 month. Kasi kain ako ng kain. Tignan mo yan. Exhibitionist talaga si manenay niya.
We're going now to the 6th level. This is the 5th level here. So beautiful. We decided to go up to the 6th level and 7th level to see how beautiful it is there. Actually, this is my 3rd time, so I know it's beautiful there. But this is my first time recording this, the area and the place. So I decided to hike to show you how beautiful the falls are. The 7th level of the falls. Nice. So I've been doing hiking, trekking for the last few years. But I said to say I haven't posted any video of my trekking and my hiking, but probably soon. I decide I'm a single woman and I can do whatever I want. Yeah. So the 6th and 7th level, the road or the trailway is a little bit difficult and slippery, so you have to be careful always, all the time. And I recommend to come here as early as possible if you want some early cardiovascular exercise. It's better to come here early than noontime or afternoon because it would be very crowded. And a lot of people will come here kasi it's a national park. A lot of people visit this, especially on weekends kasi marami talaga movement. If you want less people, come here weekdays. Amelia is so strong.
And finally, we reached the 6th level of Erawan Falls. And look at this, I'm enjoying myself in this mini waterfalls. Talagang super cold ng water.
We're hiking now to the 7th level, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So pretty. Get ready to be thrilled. Chaz, I am the conqueror. And that is.
And yes, I'm definitely the conqueror of that 7th level of Erawan Falls. After a long but rewarding hike, we've finally reached the 7th and the highest level of Erawan Falls. Getting here takes an effort, but the moment you see the water flowing through the rocks and the lush forests surrounding it, you realize it's completely worth it. There's something special about this place. It's peaceful, refreshing, and feels untouched by the busy world outside. Standing here, surrounded by nature, you can help but feel a sense of accomplishment. This isn't just the end of the trail. It's the moment where all the climbing, sweating, and exploring pays off. And honestly, what a view to end the journey with. At syempre, hindi po natatapos dyan ang experience ko dito sa 7th level ng Erawan Falls. Kung hindi tayo tatalon dito, mga tesh. So, ayan. Good experience, amazing scenery, and I've had a blast.
7th level! So we're going now. We're going back to the campsite and we're gonna prepare. But we're gonna have a little stopover at the 5th level, which we wanted to swim there earlier, but we don't know how deep it was. So we're gonna go back there. We had a blast. Yay! Ang ganda dito kasi wala pang tao. Kaming dalawa lang. It's saya. It's sad to say that this is the end of our trip. No, not the end of the trip. There's plenty more trip next time. But this will be our last scene before going back to the campsite. And this place is amazing. I love this so much. And, well, probably I'll coming back for the 4th time next time. See you guys! We stopped by for a little breakfast.
One of the things I love most about traveling is meeting new people along the way. You start as a complete strangers, sharing a simple conversation, and before you know it, you're laughing, exchanging stories, and creating memories together. It's a reminder that travel isn't just about the places you visit, it's also about the connections you make. Sometimes the people you met unexpectedly become one of the best parts of the journey.
I'm going back to my tent now. I'm gonna prepare because at 12 noon I'm going back to Bangkok. Kasi yung schedule ng train going back to Bangkok is 2 p.m. And the bus will leave Erawan around 12. So kailangan na natin mag-prepare. Kailangan ko magpaalam sa ganitong magandang place. Goodbye. We're going! Bye-bye! Got free ride! Got free ride going there. So kind. I like the Thai people. They're very kind. They're very generous. It's time to pay so we can get our passport. Alright. Kamay, suka. Okay. Bus that we're going today, riding this.
It's bye for now, Erawan National Park. I'll see you again with my girls.
Kakarating lang namin at papunta na kami ng Kanchanaburi Station, railway station. Nag-dinrap kami ng bus here sa Kanchanaburi. So, nag-walk na lang kami papuntang Kanchanaburi railway station.
So again, we're gonna travel 2.5 hours going back to Bangkok today.
Got this. And this. It is very hot. Okay. Grabe. Hanggang init dito, grabe. And we arrive at the station, Thunbury Station. Thunbury. Thunbury. We arrive at Thunbury. So stressed.
So this is the moment that we are back to reality. We're working again.
It's time to go now. Bye. See you again.
But at least we were going to remember every bit of the memories we made from that trip.
And welcome again. Welcome home. Welcome home, everybody. Come here. Aww. Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy? So I just got back home. Everything was amazing. My God, I'm so happy. I feel so relaxed. And it was a pretty nice, pretty amazing adventure for me. And I'm so happy to see my little boy again in my cozy little condo. Thank you so much again for watching, guys. And I'm gonna show you all of the expense that na nagastos ko sa buong trip ko. Ang nagastos lang po natin is around 1,200 for the entire 2 days and 1 night in Erawan Waterfalls. So, sobrang saya ko po na i-share sa inyo yung budget. And if you want to go and visit Erawan National Park, please watch this video because I know that this information would help you somehow if you want to go and visit there. The place is serene, the place is amazing, the place is so beautiful, and it's gonna be worth it if you choose to go there. You deserve some love, you deserve some peace, and you deserve time to relax and get away from the stress here in Bangkok. And I did it all! Yes! I'm the conqueror of Erawan Waterfalls. I'll see you guys on my next episode, my next vlog, here at